Ever wish your iPhone could tell time just by the way it looks? What if your wallpaper changed to match the sunrise and sunset? Step 1. Get your wallpapers ready. First things first, we need 2 killer wallpapers. One to shine during the day, and another to bring those moody night owl vibes. Open the Photos app. Choose your day wallpaper. Tap Share, Add to Album, and create an album called Day Wallpaper. Now, repeat the same for the night wallpaper and call it Night Wallpaper. Step 2. Create a sunrise automation. Time to automate the daytime look. This is where the Shortcuts app comes in. Apple's underrated little genie. Open the Shortcuts app and tap Automation. Hit New Automation and choose time of day. Pick sunrise or set your preferred morning hour. Set to repeat daily and tap Next. Now, tap Add Action and search for Find Photos. Filter by the Day Wallpaper album. Add another action. Set Wallpaper Photo. Tap the arrow next to it and turn off Show Preview. Decide if you want it on lock screen, home screen, or both. Add one final action. Set Appearance and choose Light. And just like that, at sunrise, your iPhone will brighten up with a fresh look and light mode. No finger taps needed. Step 3. Create a sunset automation. Now let's moonwalk into the nighttime mode. Same dance, different rhythm. Head back to the Shortcuts app. Create a new automation, select time of day, and choose sunset. Add these actions. Find photos and use Night Wallpaper album. Set Wallpaper Photo. Same settings as before. Set Appearance and choose Dark, and boom. At sunset, your iPhone switches to the night wallpaper and goes full stealth mode with dark appearance. Step 4. Go beyond day and night. Now that you're a wallpaper wizard, why stop at just day and night? Change wallpaper at sunrise, noon, and night. Create weather-based wallpapers: sunny, cloudy, rainy. Use location-based automations to switch between work and home wallpapers. Link to focus modes to match your phone's mood with your own. If you learned something new today, or just made your iPhone look 10 times cooler, hit that like button. Drop your favorite wallpaper vibe in the comments.